talk about the exhaust comparison, the 200.
The 200? Girl! Don't, the disrespect.
That was so disrespectful, I'm sorry.
Disrespect.
Hey y'all, welcome back to She Fans. Y'all remember that one video we did like a couple years ago, that exhaust comparison? Well, we are back today with part 2. Ali has had quite a little bit of work done to his exhaust, so we're going to show y'all what it's looking like now when we compare the two. Let's dive right in.
Alright y'all, so since the last video, as you can see, I have the carbon 5-inch tips up there. The mid muffler delete was already done on the last video. Since then I did the resonator delete, so I have the rear mufflers off, the mid mufflers are off, and I have the carbon R's up there along with the carbon 5-inch tip. So I also did videos on the wicker bill install and the roof spoiler, so y'all could check that out over at 300 Reasons.
Y'all, so as y'all can see, one of them is a little bit louder than the other one. I'm gonna let y'all decide which one. Let us know in the comments what you think. Do you think it's the 300S?
Yeah.
Or is it the RT Plus? Y'all let us know in the comments what y'all think. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. You should already be subscribed to our channel, but if you're not, hit that subscribe button right now and go over to 300 Reasons and make sure you hit the subscribe button over there as well.
300 gang.
Click those notification bells so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. As always, thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.